Welcome to our program. Our SLO today we will learn how can student make more word from one alphabet of English because it is very necessary in the primary classes. So let us start the word with spelling. First word is A. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for book. B for book. And B for banana. And B for ball. B for ball. B for bus. B for bus. And now C. C for car. C for cabbage. Cabbage. C for cat. Cat. Another word D. D for duck. D for dog. D for door. Beautiful door. E for elephant. Big elephant. E for egg. Yellow egg. E for elbow. Hearty elbow. F for fish. What a beautiful fish. F for frog. Green frog. F for fox. Yellow fox. Beautiful. G for goat. Nice goat. Goat. Nice goat. G for cat. Old cat. G for girl. Innocent, small girl. H for horse. White, beautiful horse. H for hat. Wearing a small baby. Beautiful hat. H for house. My beautiful house. H for hen. Hen. I for ink. Use for writing. Ink. I for ice cream. Sweet item. Ice cream. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jug. Hard jug. J for juice. Mean orange juice. K for kite. Beautiful kite. Kite. K for king. Very rich king. K for key. K for key. L for line. Very horrible line. L for lemon. Stitch. Lemon. L for leaf. Green leaf. M for mango. Yellow mango. Moon. M for moon. Nighty moon. M for mouse. Mouse. N for neck. Very long neck. N for nail. Very strong nail. N for net. For cod fishing. Net. O for orange. Very sweet orange. O for ox. Strong ox. O for onion. Very needy onion. P for parrot. Beautiful multicolor parrot. P for potato. Vegetable. Potato. P for pen, of course, is for writing. P for pencil, used by small children. P for pineapple, pineapple. Q for queen, beautiful queen. Q for quilt, used for sleeping, quilt. Q for coil, very singing bird, coil. R for ring, wearing ring. R for rabbit, very white, beautiful rabbit. R for rose, red rose, beautiful rose. S for soap, used for cleaning, washing hand. S for spoon, used for eating. S for strawberry, strawberry. T for teacher, T for teacher. T for table, T for table. T for toy, beautiful toy. U for umbrella, yellow umbrella. U for urn, beautiful urn. U for uncle, very old uncle. V for vegetable, vegetable. V for vulture, eating dead body bird, vulture. W for wall, W for wall. W for watch, watch. W for well, well. X for box, box. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yellow, yellow color, yellow color. Y for yolk, egg yolk, yellow yolk. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo is a game. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Z for zip, Z for zip, Z, zip. Z for zoo, animal zoo. Thank you for watching our channel, Village Surprise.